Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Life with K-Face, and yes, I did change the name. I'll let you guys know why at the end of the video. And I also want to apologize for being gone for so long. It's been a minute, I know, but I'm back with this video. I'll tell you about the story at the end of the video, so stick around for that, alright? If you guys are new to the channel and you like what you're seeing right now, please hit that subscribe button. Turn your bells on so you get notified when I post a video, because look, I'm back and I got a lot of videos for you guys. In today's video though, we're going to be doing this accent wall. It can be done for a very low cost. You could get your supplies at Home Depot or any hardware store. I got these from Home Depot. Very inexpensive. We knocked it out in a couple hours. I changed the room around, I painted, I did some other things, but I'll just show you this for today. Stick around until the end of the video, guys, and I'll tell you what's been happening with me and why I've been gone for so long, alright? Thank you guys again, and remember to hit that subscribe button, and let's get right into this video. So earlier I did a sketch. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it's my representation of my wall, okay? The reason why I chose this wall is because it had a lot of imperfections on it. And usually people do the wall that's behind their headboard, the bed. But I wanted to switch it up. I'm gonna make a different headboard anyway, a bigger one. So I didn't want to do too much on that wall if the headboard was gonna be that much already. So I decided to do the wall opposite to that. So this is what we're gonna be doing. As I said, this is my representation of my wall. You could take a picture, you could draw on it. There are many apps that you could just take a picture and just draw on it if you want, all right? But I'm old school. Anyway, I showed you what you needed. Right now I'm gonna get them sanded and then I'll come right back, measure up, do some cuts, some glue, my brad nail. Oh, definitely find where your studs are first, all right? I already know where my studs are. I got a marking on the wall. I don't know if you guys can see it right now. You can't. I'll probably give you a close-up in a minute, but find your studs. It's better if you could get studs. Sometimes you can't. That's why you got the glue. Ain't nothing wrong with being, secure, safe. Let's get this accent wall done. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be lining the ceiling. I ended up using my planer, taking my planer to it. I have a planer in my basement. The sanding wasn't working out, it was taking too long, so I planed one side. It's a little smoother. I don't know if you can see the difference compared to, hold on. All right, so see that, see all that. Look on this side. See, it looks a little smoother. Yeah, let's take it up there and see how it looks. I'm gonna try and hit as much studs as possible. If not, it is what it is. I was gonna use the glue, but if I'm hitting the studs, I'll need to use the glue. When I get to places where I'm not hitting studs, then I'll use the glue. Make sense? Well, let's go. So the first piece is up. I got all the studs. I actually hit a screw. One of the nails came right back out, so. But anyway, I'll fix that later. Well, let's get the rest of them up there. I'm gonna do some measurements right now. Can't wait for you guys to see what it's gonna look like. All right, I'm done. is finished. Now it's time to do the design in the middle. I'm gonna change it up a little bit just because I see a lot more imperfections popping out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start by putting in a straight piece right here from the top all the way down to the bottom, because I saw some more imperfections as I was getting it done. All right, I got my level. I don't have a piece long enough, so I'm gonna join two pieces. As I said, you know, give the board that angle cut so you don't see where it's joined that much. I mean, you're still gonna see it, but. So let's get this first piece up, then I'll straighten it up, and then I'll secure it. Just gonna put one in there right now to hold it, just to see. At the bottom here, I don't know if you guys can see this. That's a big gap right there. It's just because the wall isn't leveled, or the drywall work wasn't done correctly. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can get another piece of this one, and I'm gonna put it up and see if it covers it. Just because I hate to see it. I know it's gonna be an extra layer of border, but it's at the bottom. Only if you're paying attention, you're gonna see it. Another reason why it's good to have a drawing before you do anything is because with that, you have a layout of how you want things, you know. When you have to freelance and try to cover up blemishes, sometimes you might overcrowd the wall. So what do you guys think? Comment below and let me know. But we're at the end of the video, and I want to thank you guys for watching. All right, and since you made it here, that means you want to be a part of the gang. So all you have to do is just hit that subscribe button. Button. Just hit that subscribe button and join the gang. All right, but let me tell you why I changed my name, since I promised that I would. So Life with Kenny, even though it sounds good, it was common, and people weren't able to find this Kenny. They were finding some other Kennys. Kenny Rogers, Kenny, yeah, let's not get into all that. But Life with K-Face is a lot easier to find. And thank you guys for sticking here with me. All right, let me know what you think about the name in the comments below. Also, where have I been? So, they stole my equipment. And to be honest, I just got discouraged. My camera, drone, GoPro, lens, flashes, a lot of equipment got stolen. So I really was just discouraged, and my phone gimbal also, yeah. I was just discouraged and didn't want to post anything or do anything for a while. But hey, I'm back. The show must go on. All right, and I got videos for you guys coming up. Not gonna promise that I'm gonna post every week, but I'm gonna post as often as I can. And one more time, thank you guys for tuning in. This is Life with K-Face. As I said, let me know what you know. Let me know what you think about the name in the comments below, and make sure you read the comments. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, subscribe. Until next video, guys. I'll see you. Chop go.